first time I saw you, I didn't like you. Parang may nagsasabi sa akin na isa kang malaking sakit ng ulo.
When the Americans came and the Spaniards left, kinuha ng kapatid niya ang bangkay ni Rizal dito sa Paco Park para ilipat sa luneta. Finally, she can get the letter he said he left inside the shoe. Pero huli na ang lahat. She checked the shoe. There was nothing to be found. Nabulok na. What did he write in that letter? I don't know. Okay, class, that's it for today. I'll see you all on Monday. You're dismissed.
Sir! Sandali lang. Mabilis lang to, sir. Promise. Sandali lang po. Mabilis lang to, sir. Promise. Ay, sandali. Ay, sumaba. Ay. Okay. Ay.
Yes, Miss Gonzales.
Sir, kasi ay bulok to katulad na ng sulat ni Rizal. Dahil naghiniwala ako kung may gusto kang sabihin, dapat sabihin mo na.
Yes, Miss Gonzales, what do you want to say?
Mahal kita, sir. Ngayong February 14, 2004, ang start ng history ng